ही 4 कोल्याची पिला एका म्हयन्या आदी जल्माक आयिल्ली, पूण तांकां लोकांकडल्यान त्रास जावचे न्ही म्हूण ही खुश खबर बोंडला प्राणी अभयारण्याच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी लोकांपासून लिपोवन दवरिल्ली. ह्या 4 पिलां भितर 3 मादी आनी 1 नर आसात. बरी गोष्ट म्हळ्यार 4 पिलांची आनी आवयची भलायकी बरी आसा. आतां बोंडलात सगळे मेळून 9 कोले आनी कोलयो आसात. कोली गुरवार जाल्ल्या पासून पिलांक जल्म दी मेरेन तांची खूब काळजी घेवची पडटा अशी माहिती वायल्ड लायफ DCF प्रेम कुमार हांणी दिली.
So in Bondla Zoo we have successfully captive bred several species like gaurs, porcupines, jackals, jungle cats. Captive breeding of any animal is the highest epitome of success in zoo management. So I am very happy to announce that the government of Goa in the management of Bondla Zoo have been able to achieve this status right now. So for breeding of any captive wild species, there are several basic prerequisites which are needed to ensure successful procreation. So in Bondla Zoo, we first focused on enrichment of enclosures. So the concept of cages in zoos is long gone, and we are now moving towards enclosures with enrichment. So we created an ecosystem for the animals in ensuring that they have their own replica of what they had in their natural habitats.
सिनियर जर्नलिस्ट नीरज नायका सहित ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV.